Okay, once I have my shrink wraps created, I can start creating assemblies and sub-assemblies. So this assembly here is at its master level, and the sub-assemblies below it are at the master level too. But I do have shrink wraps created in the sub-assemblies. So if I look at this sub-assembly, I'll just put a section on that one. I was looking to see if it was solid, so I'll switch the sectioning off. I put substitute level of detail 1. I'm currently set at the master level. Just promote that back to the top. Now, so on that sub-assembly, I can create a new level of detail, which is going to call upon the level of details that are below it. This one I've called general assembly, thinking that the complicated sub-assemblies will end up at a general assembly stage, and that's where I want everything to be as simple as possible, but still maintain the detail of the parts. So if I activate that level of detail, I've activated the sub-assemblies below it to show when that higher level of detail is activated. And that's a similar arrangement to what I'm doing, so I'm just cascading one level of the assembly down to the next level, down to the level below that. So here at the top level of the assembly, on my effective master GA, I'm going to call it the level of detail for the general assembly, and then I need to drill down to the representations in the sub-assemblies and activate those. So it's a right click, activate for each of the sub-assemblies to correspond with the top level of detail. Then once that's saved, that will be remembered, and I'll get an option to open it up, which you'll see in a minute, at a particular level of detail. Now if you look at the lower right hand corner of the screen, you can see that the part count has dropped. So from 75 parts in that assembly, there was only 21 that are now present on screen. So when it comes to opening an assembly once it's been done, it's a question of finding it and then not just opening it but going to the options button, and then within the options you've got a level of detail. You can drop down which one you want to see. If you've got a problem, then